EDO2020. Over 2,000 Edo voters don't do Ogbonge campaign rally for Obaseki. More than 2,000 Edo voters don't do Ogbonge campaign rally for Governor Godwin Obaseki to take show say dem tanda gidigba for the way can see governor and say nothing go fit shake or change their stand. This one shele for Benin City on Saturday 15th August 2020. Now all the members of the Edo Volunteer Voters Assembly come out do this waka as them first gather for Ring Road, come begin their campaign waka to go tell Edo people, say me all of them come out to vote for Governor Godwin Obaseki come Sep.19 election because him na governor wey sabi do better things for him people. Them still waka go Edo State House of Assembly where Governor Godwin Obaseki for come follow them do the campaign. Governor Obaseki come tell them say democracy wey be government of the people and by the people and for the people. No dey Naija again, sake of say the electorate no dey join body put for the electoral process. But now, in don dey see Ogbonge participation and involvement for this one wey the association dey do. And if dem continue like this, dem go dey vote for the correct person wey in administration go dey sweet dem for belle. Come still put an end to godfatherism kpatakpata for Edo State. He still tell dem say make dem take prompt action to take report any sign of wuruwuru or anybody wey dey plan katakata to security agencies. Make dem for fit gbab the bad people wey wan come cause gbege for Sep.19 election.
Today to address the Edo Volunteers Voters Assembly. But what has happened in the last 20 years in this country is that a lot of you have ignored the process through which governance is created. Now, with what you have started, by the grace of God, you will now empower those of us in government to take decisions that are in the best interest of everybody, not a few people. With what you are doing now, you have permanently put an end to godfatherism. Yes, we give you the phone numbers to call. Just send us the information, we know what to do. And when you know they want to disrupt the elections because they know they cannot win.
Inyan say if dem don't re-elect him, wetin him go still do for Edo people na elele, and wetin dem go benefit from his second term no be small.
When I come back, have done in our first time will be a joke.
Uyi Malaka, wey be one of Governor Obaseki aide, Konya and say make Edo people come out come Sep.19 election. Make them vote for the governor wey better pass all others. She talks say na only one Godwin na in the Edo State and he must win this coming election.
Una go see all that symbols. We don't want to mention their name, they're not important. But the one where you must put your hand on that day. Now be the one where we they show una here today. Umbrella. Obaseki na.
Comrade Austin Osakwe, wey be the coordinator of the association, Konya and say gentleman no dey for this election, sake of say politics matter no be joke, and they don't ready to handle am well. Make godfatherism and other yamayama things wey dey shele for Edo State fit stop kpatakpata. He talk say the ogbonge things wey the way can see governor don't do for Edo State. Blind they see am, deaf they hear am, and dumb they talk about am.
We have over 2,000 Edo people gathered here today. They are not politicians, but they are Edo people.
That's all, sir.
They are members of Edo Volunteers Voters Assembly. The people of Edo State are saying that the infrastructure, the administrative reforms that Obaseki has engendered in the past 4 years, even the blind can see it. Because this election, gentlemen, no day. And so we say 4 plus 4. We say 4 plus 4.
For Oba Market, where Oredo PDP campaign council for they do their own campaign. Governor Obaseki comes to you and say body they sweet and well. On top waiting Edo people and Oredo people in particular they do for them so. And waiting in go use thank them. Now the youth empowerment, infrastructural development, sharp payment of salaries, ogbonge educational standard, state-of-the-art agricultural deve, and other ogbonge things we go do for them if they don't bring them back to Osadebe Avenue for second term.
What I have done in the last 4 years in Oredo will be a joke. Because the election of the 19th of September is a decision we have to make. The decision is, do we want to go forward? When you vote for me, what you would have done is that you would have removed the stone with which they tied my leg, because of which I could not do what I wanted to do. By the time I come back for my second term, I will tell you in Oredo that we have enough money to do more than we are doing. Are we not paying salary regularly? Are we not paying pension regularly? Are we not tiring roads? Are we not doing the job best? Are we not taking care of our children in school? The thing I need to do when I come back is to see that I bring more empowerment to the young people.
Ogbaide Yama, wey be former PDP governorship aspirant, wey step aside for the vacancy governor, come still shook mouth put for the matter. As a yarn say since Comrade Adams Oshiomhole doing own 8 years, and nobody disturb him, nobody go fit stop Governor Godwin Obaseki. Say make it no complete in own 8 years, sake of say 4 plus 4 must complete.
When Adams Oshiomhole was governor of Edo State, after 4 years of being governor, did Edo people not vote for him to finish his 8 years? Yes! Who wants to stop Godwin Obaseki from finishing? Oredo, will you allow them to stop Obaseki from finishing? On the 19th, you go to the polling booth. You know how you do it before? You remember? Umbrella, PDP, 4+4.
Women leader of Oredo local government area, Adesuwa Okoimose, Konyan say me Edo people no fear for September 19 election. May all of them come out, come vote, sake of Segbege no go day.
PDP, we know they do fight. We not go make noise. But when God talk, we go read them. Make una no fear. PDP not they fight. We want peace. So far make una come out. Go vote. If they fight una, make una not fight. We not be tagger. We not be lion. Make una take it easy. But stand and vote your conscience.
Arewa PDP community leader for Oredo local government area, Usman Idris, come following people yarn for Hausa. As he talk, say all of them can't join body show their support for Governor Godwin Obaseki. Sake of say Arewa people na people where they follow good government, where they give better governance to the people.
Mutana Arewa ku fito a Samungo, mutana Arewa ku matso musu a Samungo. Mutana Arewa fito a Samungo. Assalamu alaikum jama'a Arewa. Assalamu alaikum jama'a Arewa.
This one are the ogbonge informate where we don't carry con give una on top inside Edo today as Edo Volunteer Voters Assembly and Oredo PDP Campaign Council don't do ogbonge campaign rally for Obaseki. Make una sabi say na TMC TV. Now I carry this ogbonge informate con give una. My name na Oiza Aboriungi.